So today I'll be demonstrating the electron domain geometry using balloons. But before we start, I think it's important to understand that electron domain geometry is the arrangement of electron domains, or bonds and lone pairs, around a central atom. So the balloons today are going to be depicting the bonds that are made, not the central atom. The central atom will essentially be the knots between the balloons. So the first one that we have is trigonal planar. It will have a total number of 3 electron domains. The molecule type is called AB2, and the max number of lone pairs that it will have is 1. An example of this would be SO2. Next, we'll have tetrahedral. So it will have 4 electron domains. So we have the 3 that we started with, plus 1 added to the top. The type of molecules would be AB2 and AB3, and it can have either 1 or 2 lone pairs. Examples of these are NH3 and H2O. Next, we have trigonal bipyramidal. This will have 5 electron domains. The types of molecules are AB2, AB3, and AB4. It can have anywhere from 1 to 3 sets of lone pairs. Examples of these are going to be SF4, CLF3, and IF-2. Lastly, we have octahedral. You'll have to forgive me that I don't have all my balloons the same color. So this one is going to have 6 electron domains. The types of molecules can be AB4 or AB5, and it can have 1 or 2 lone pairs. Examples of these are going to be BRF5 and XEF4.